if I run this code, let's build a new object. Let's say that our option will be, let's call it, just for the fun, let's call it ALON, and it will be with strike. Let's say, let's build it. Let's see, we'll have the BS object, and we're going to put inside strike of let's stick to the numbers I entered before. I like these numbers, I used to it. So we'll have option with a spot price of 1800, and the strike will be 1800 also, and we'll have we need a let's see, the order. We have the spot, we have the strike, we need the rate and the days. So the rate will be 0.05, and the days to maturity, let's put I don't know, 27, and the volatility and the multiplier. So let's put a vol of 16%, and let's say the multiplier is 1. Okay, so this will be our object. Let's run it. So now we have this object called ALON, and we can see all its attributes. So let's see ALON dot, let's see the price for a call. So the price for a call is call price. So ALON dot call price, and we get 35. Let's see ALON dot put row. So this will be the value of row for a put options with this okay, with this parameters, and you can see it works. Let's see ALON dot let's check the delta. ALON call delta. Okay, and let's see ALON dot put delta. Okay, and just to have fun with it, we know that the delta of call minus the delta of put needs to give us 1, so we can see it. Actually, we can see it here, but just to verify, we can calculate ALON dot call delta minus ALON dot put delta, and we should get 1, and of course it's 1. Okay, so this is how we and of course we don't need this part at the end. It was just to check and verify that this code is okay and there is nothing wrong with it, and that things are working just as we expected. Now I can delete it, or just let's put it as a comment. Okay, so this is the first this was the end of the first part of building what I call under the hood of the calculator. And let's just see the calculator itself. So this is the calculator, and this will be of course we can change it to whatever we want, like I don't know, 100, 120. Let's keep the rate 0.5. let's say we have I don't know, 62 days to maturity. The vol will be 17, and we have multiplier of I don't know, 30, and we'll hit calculate. So all this calculation that you see are coming from the Black Scholes that we just built. All these calculations, of course, these two in the end for the row expression are wrong intentionally, because we are going to fix it. This will be some kind of exercise for us to do live, so we can verify that we understand how to put the right numbers in. And basically, in the next part, we're going to build the layout. So this was the first part. I'm very happy for you to join me to the second part. Until then, I'm ALON SELA, and I wish you'll keep enjoy the world of mathematics. Bye.